Finally, Redbubble suspended my account. I was know that before and I was expecting this to happen because the account was new and I uploaded many designs at once. It's not professional from Redbubble to do this because I put a lot of hard work on this shop. It's not just me, there is a lot of people suffer and have the same situation. So in this video I will show you how I will recover this account from suspend like I was doing in my main account before. Because this is not my main account, but I lost a lot of work and energy on this account, and also I don't do anything against the term and condition of Redbubble. All my designs are mine and I have the commercial use of each design I upload. Also, the tags are clean from any trademark, so I really don't know the reason, and I am sure that Redbubble will reactivate this account, so I will contact the support. Also, I will send some message on Twitter and Instagram. So if your account was suspended too, follow the steps I will do in this video. So open google.com and type Redbubble contact. Click at the first result. Click at this. After, click at submit request. Now choose this option. I am an artist and I have a question. After, click on inactive account and enter your information. And I will leave the description below two messages. The first one, if Redbubble suspended your account for no reason, and the second one, if you do a mistake like copyright or trademark. So I will use the first one because my account suspended for no reason, and I was already used these two messages before when Redbubble suspended my main account, and the both time they work well for me. Also, I will send a message on Twitter, so open Twitter and search for Redbubble. After, click at this Redbubble help, and I will send them the same message. Also, I will send them a message on Facebook, but they no longer respond on the Facebook page, so I will open Instagram and send them the same message too. And I will do the same every day until they respond to me, and I am sure that Redbubble will reactivate this account because I don't do anything wrong. So guys, I will inform you from any update if the account was back or not, so be sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned guys, and see you in the next video.